I bet you can't drink this pitcher of lemonade in under 30 seconds.
Okay. Here's your book.
You have the hiccups? Hey everyone! Sam has the hiccups! I know. Try this. Water always works with hiccups. Faster, faster, faster! That's not how it's done. You're supposed to drink from the other side of the glass.
What was that for?
Did I cure your hiccups?
No.
How about now? It says here that you can cure hiccups by breathing pure oxygen. We can do that.
Why are you doing this to me?
Okay, turn on the oxygen. It says here that in 0.1% of cases, this will make the hiccups worse. Try holding it in.
How am I supposed to get back there? No! Wait, I think I feel a hiccup coming on. Cut. No!